How to contact a seller on AliExpress app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open AliExpress app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply go to your account at the bottom right and click on My Orders. You can select the product from your orders or simply select a random product. You'll find product details in this way. Here, scroll down and you'll find Visit Store option. Simply click on Visit Store in here. After you click on Visit Store in here, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Contact at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Contact at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will find this kind of screen. Here in the Type Your Message section, simply type in your issue to the seller and then send it. And this is how to contact a seller on AliExpress app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.